Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing the brake pads on the ZXR250. $10mm spanner. Now's probably a good chance to inspect the caliper, see if it's functioning properly, if the pistons are moving. Often the pistons can seize up, so you can push one down, you can see the other moves up pretty freely. So it's a sign that they're pretty good. It's also a good opportunity to give things a clean. Take that clip out. Probably get in there with some degreaser and a toothbrush. Do the other side. I see this is actually a pretty easy job to do. Yeah, let's check if these ones move. Not so much. This one especially. Yeah, that one needs some attention. So we might end up having to take this caliper off, and then we'll push the pistons out with compressed air. So we'll disconnect it here, then we'll shoot compressed air up its arse there, and then that will pop the pistons out. Then we can clean the pistons, lubricate them, put them back in, and hopefully that will mean that they can move a bit freer. Let's attack the seized brake caliper first. So we're going to disconnect it, get it on the table, and unseize it. So get the pistons out. Success. So these are the pads that we're changing out. They've actually got a decent amount of meat on them. It's just they were contaminated with oil, so they're not gripping as they should be. So these are the ones we're replacing them with. So we start with the caliper, which is actually furthest away from the master cylinder, so that's of course this one.